Hi viewers, welcome to Mira's Tiny Garden. These are langsat fruits, commonly known as leteku phal in Assam. Langsat fruits are very nutritionally rich. It contains proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and also rich in vitamin A, thiamine, and riboflavin. These fruits have a sweet and sour combination of flavors. It's glossy and little bit transparent. After peeling off the fruit, we can get 3 or 4 cloves intake together with a skin. Let's remove it. The first thing is to do, that is, eat up the fruits and collect the seeds. Clean the remaining fruit flesh around the seeds using a Scotch-Brite. Just like that. Let's check the quality of the seeds. Place the seeds in a bowl. Pour water into it. If the seeds float, they are not going to germinate. Here all seeds are drowned under water. They are perfect for germination. I am using organic seed starter liquid. It helps to speed up the germination process. It don't need a whole lot of liquid. Just make sure that seeds are all under the liquid. The next thing we have to do is cover the seeds with a lid. Place it in a warm place for germination because they don't need sunlight for sprouting. After 2 weeks, all seeds are sprouting out very nicely. Sprouts are ready to be moved on to the next step. I am using a stick to make some hole right down. This one is root and it's very fragile. Plant it straight down very carefully. The root will grow into the soil and it will fix the baby plant to stand upright itself. I am just going to continue planting seeds properly until I finish the last one. Cover it up. For planting, I am using well-drained soil. That is 30% leaf mold, 10% coco peat, 5% rice husk, 5% mustard cake and clay. I mixed all ingredients about 3 months ago. Last but not the least, water it thoroughly. So that's all how I sprout langsat seed and plant them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.